Game Builder is a great tool for creating and sharing custom games geared towards any subject area. Creating BreakOutEDU digital games allows you to match puzzles to your curriculum and create a fun learning environment where everyone is engaged. Whether you design your own games or use those created by BreakOutEDU's content experts, every subject area is enriched with a BreakOutEDU digital game. Students will be engaged and challenged as they explore topics such as seasons, symmetry, leaders in the field of science, map features, coding, and much more. To get started, sign in at platform.breakoutedu.com and click on My Account in the menu at the top of the page. From there, select Create New Game from the menu. A screen will appear prompting you to select the type of BreakOutEDU digital game you'd like to create. The first option, a single lock game, can be a great supplement or substitute for a physical lock in a hands-on BreakOutEDU game, or it could be used as a simple check for understanding. The next two options, the non-sequential and sequential games, are games that have more than one lock in them. In a non-sequential game, users can open the locks in any order they desire, while with a sequential game, users must solve the puzzles and open the locks in an order designated by the creator. Even though in this example we'll be creating a sequential game, most of the following options are the same regardless of the game type. The game details page is where you will title your game, provide a description, and select an option for the end of game reveal. These choices are the default BreakOutEDU congratulations message, an image you will upload, hyper-rich text, or a video. Across the bottom, you will also have the option to set a time limit for the game. Make the selections that will provide your players with the best continued learning opportunities after the game, and then click Next Step. On the next page, you can select from the 5 different lock types available. The ABC, or word lock, can be any word from 1 to 10 letters in length. Each of the remaining locks, the number lock, directional lock, shape lock, and color lock, all have from 1 to 5 inputs or digits available for the combination. Select any lock to proceed. Upon selection of a lock, you have the option to include a story or some supplemental text that will help guide players to the puzzle solution. The puzzle itself can be an image you upload, text, or a video for which you will paste in the embed code. Finally, enter the combination the players will use to open the lock. Scrolling to the bottom of the page once everything is complete, you can add another lock, save your game as draft to come back and complete at a later date, or save and exit. For this example, we're going to select an additional lock. From here, you have the option to add a second, third, or many more locks to your game simply by going through the same steps you did in the previous lock. Once you have created all of the locks for your game, you have the ability to drag the lock order around across the top. In a sequential game like this one, there will be arrows between the locks indicating the order required for the locks to be solved. Once everything is done, click on Save Lock and Exit to save the game to your game library. From here, you can test your game by playing it yourself, copy the link or embed code to somewhere else, grab the game's BreakOutEDU tag for players with the Tags app, or even share the game via one of your social media accounts. To access or edit any of the other digital games you have copied or created, click on My Account and select My Digital Games from the menu. These features are included as part of your full access to the BreakOutEDU platform.